Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
We have a system in Goa, but it is an expensive system, so many people don't want to pay that, so they prefer to throw it on the side of the road. Now, after all of this, of course, there was recyclables, and we divided the recyclables into three categories. DRS first phase, DRS second phase, and what is not under DRS. So what is under the first phase is aluminium cans, glass bottles, and PET bottles. This we found was only 4% of the waste that was there. Then the second phase, what they are proposing is MLP and Tetra Pak. That was around 3% we have found. So altogether, the remaining recyclables like paper, cardboard, hard plastics and all we also quantified. And what we found out is that the waste that is on the street is not really the DRS item waste. So if they do this, go ahead with this program, what will happen is the waste on the road will still remain.
95% goes to असा त्यो जेवण, पोत्यो, पिशव्यो, that is not covered under DRS. तो DRS ना. So what is the purpose? So तुम्ही जे स्कीम हाडटा ती हे सॉल्व करचे ना. So हे सॉल्व करपाक आमच्याकडे खूप सजेशन आसा. पण आमच्याकडे ते नॉर एनी अदर स्टेक होल्डराक तेणी घेतला. सो आमी 2 वर्सां जाली तेंचे कडेन कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स करता. पण कांय चेंज करूना. सो आमी करूंक शकता की द वर्स्ट इफेक्टेड इज गोइंग टू बी द कंज्युमर, म्हणजे घरकार, घरकान्नी. कित्याक नंबर 1 ही स्कीम घातली की ना तुमचो गार्बेज फी इन द म्युनिसिपालिटी डबल जातली. कित्याक गार्बेज कलेक्टर पण आसा सद्याक 50 to 40% तेजे पैसे येता फ्रॉम पेट बॉटल एंड एल्युमिनियम. ते जर काडले तो पयलो कोण करतले काम.